So you finally pull the trigger. You start hormone therapy. You hit the gym, clean up your diet. You feel better, stronger, more alive. Then you step on the scale. You're like, holy shit.
I thought this hormone stuff was supposed to make me skinnier.
I beg to differ, fatty.
So yeah, can it happen? Technically, yes. But here's the part most people don't realize. It's actually a good thing. And here's why. Fat equals cactus. It's tough, stubborn, built to survive. Muscle equals flower. Fragile, high maintenance, short on durability. And when your body's in survival mode, it'll break down the delicate flower or muscle before even thinking about touching the desert hardened cactus or fat. Because evolution hardwired this into our brains, and that was 5, 6, 10,000 years ago. And I call it the muscle first policy. And honestly, it's why humans still exist.
Ladies, I just want to make sure you saw this. This is crucial from an evolutionary standpoint.
But what's that got to do with the number on the scale? Density. Given the same volume of space, muscle weighs more than fat. It's denser. So when you're gaining lean muscle and losing fat at the same time, also known as recomping, and that's especially right after you start HRT. That's when your body's primed to rebuild. Your weight can go up, not down.
But I thought you said it was a good thing.
The scale doesn't know the difference between a pound of fluff and a pound of steel.
Yeah, your bathroom scale really is this stupid.
But your genes do, and so does the mirror. So do yourself a favor and throw that scale away. Scales and politicians, they both, you know what scales are. Focus on how your clothes fit, how you feel, how you look. Because I can drop 10 pounds in the morning right after I know, TMI, but you get the point. And ladies, no, you won't get bulky. You'll just look incredible in that bikini. Because getting old is inevitable, but feeling old and looking old, that's a choice.